Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a fasting tracker. We go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about fasting tracker and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about fasting tracker. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.